Environmental sustainability is to meet our own needs without compromising the needs of future generations.
It is taking care of the world and really watching what we do and how we can reduce our waste.
We have to make sure that whatever we take from the environment, we're giving it back to make sure that the equilibrium stays the same.
It's very important to teach our students about environmental sustainability because they are the leaders of tomorrow. They are tomorrow's scientists, engineers, and politicians, and it's very important that they become environmental citizens.
In terms of education about environmental sustainability, it happens both in the classroom and outside.
We use our outdoor classroom quite a bit during science, and then seeing how beautiful it is, it motivates me to keep on trying to save the environment.
At Havergal, I really learned to respect nature. When we were in grade 2, we got to take care of butterflies and release them into the wild.
It's an ideal time to teach girls about how to recycle or how to reuse or how to reduce, and it's a great opportunity for us.
It is important that people understand what Havergal is doing and the initiatives that they're taking each day.
If we use reusable energy sources such as the solar panels that are at Havergal, that's a sustainable action.
It's very important that as a leading girls' school that we have the most cutting-edge design features and sustainability initiatives in our new build.
I think the new spaces are going to be very open, and they're going to be new places for people to come and feel like they can learn, and more like a welcoming, friendly environment.
In addition to the solar panels and LED lighting that we currently have within the school, we will have electrical vehicle charging stations, and we will have green roofs, bioswales, and permeable pavers that allow the natural rainwater to gather and then also to permeate through the grass down into the water table below.
We're really excited about the junior school food service program. The girls will have an opportunity to come into the kitchen and actually work alongside the cooks and the chefs, and we hope to be able to incorporate things like farm tours or meet farmer sessions with the girls as well.
One of the most exciting initiatives is the three-storey BioWall, which will be going into the student commons. Not only will that BioWall be filtering the air and creating a more comfortable wellness area for the students, it will also create a quiet oasis.
The BioWalls and the green roofs, they definitely create more spaces for us to plant native plants, and that definitely serves as, I would say, a mindfulness station where people like me can really relax and feel supported.
I think that the new spaces will inspire our students, faculty, and staff because as they see these sustainability initiatives at work within the school buildings, they can take that information home.
The sustainable design features will help reduce Havergal's environmental footprint because they'll educate people and they'll help raise awareness.
When people see something about the environment, when people see sustainability, when people see a BioWall, when people see solar panels, it sort of puts it on their radar, and it might not have been on their radar before.
We are really passionate about a lot of things here at HC, but if we can gather that sort of passionate energy together and make sure that they are dedicated to creating a common, healthy environment, then that's where we can really shine as a collective, as a leader.
We can all really play our part, and all together we can make an impact.
Seeing these new renovations are going to be totally inspiring. I know I've talked to a lot of old girls who come back as parents, and for them to hear that there's a sustainability prefect, they think that's so cool. So I sort of think this is the next step, that when I come back, I'm going to think, whoa, this is so cool, look how far we've come.